Every good machine comes from a sealed company. I'm Edie. It's a pleasure to meet you at Lisheng. This is the office area of the Lisheng. Demands are communicated and coordinated here. Orders are finalized here. Professional, effective service supports every corporation. This is the negotiation room. A cup of tea, a cup of coffee. This is where trust begins. This honor will bear witness to Lisheng's journey. Every medal and every certificate. Professional recognition from the industry and our customers. These are finished products made by flexo printing technology. They show Lisheng's stress directly to customers. This map shows Lisheng footprint. Each mark stands for the trust from afar. This trust drives Lisheng's team day and night. This is our simple display, showcasing Lisheng's capability. Details stand up to close-up inspection. Quality stand up to testing. This is Lisheng's talent engine. Great machine comes from a great team. A great team brings from here. Now, please follow me into the workshop. The role of machines is Lisheng's most powerful pose. Built as more than cold material. It is work made by Lisheng's skilled worker. Our mosaic machining center made by all core parts. Errors are minimized here and every part is redefined. This is Lisheng's CI Plans production area. Every step connects closely. Each machine is built this way, shipped worldwide. This stands for quality and trust. This is Lisheng's stack plans production area. Every detail has been polished. Our reliable performance delivers both efficiency and quality you expect. Faster, steadier, more reliable. From design to delivery, from parts to complete machines, Lisheng answers everything with quality. Should you have any question, please feel free to contact us. Lisheng take new heights for flex printing. I'm Edie. Welcome to our company.